What's up, guys? Good morning. T.Fade here of EveryDay Audios. I'm here at Tiger Audio. I'm trying to get some work done on my car today and hopefully show you guys how I deaden doors. Maybe it'll help some of y'all out there trying to get this done. So let's get it. Alright, here we are with naked doors. I assume if you're trying this that you are confident enough to get your door panel off. And to this point, the only thing you see missing from this picture is the moisture barrier that is on most doors. If you can salvage that, salvage that. But we're not going to finish, not the way I do it anyway. We'll salvage that and I'll show you guys what to do with it later. But very first step is prep. Now I use brake cleaner because I like brake cleaner. And as my buddy Steve, not SMPD, says, it is the robotism of cars. So, prep. Gotta prep all these surfaces. And I like it. I like how it is like that. That's fantastic. Anyway, prep this thing. Get all the oil and grease and all that garbage off of it. Come back. Alright, prep it. Now this door was actually relatively clean, but normally you will go through 3 or 4 of these and they will be filthy. And if you're doing doors and your hands are not like this, then you're doing it wrong. Anyway, we got it all prepped. What you just want to go through here, listen. Hear that? Squeaking? That's what you want to hear. Make sure everything is oil free and has a good surface for your deadener and tape and stuff to stick to. So we are going to get on the first thing. Oh, sexy. Sweet like Danish. First time I'm looking at it. Look at that. Look at that. What? Actual testing? Get the hell out of here, Jay. Looks like some good stuff. Let's give it a run. A tale of two deadeners. So here we have the B2, EveryDay, I believe it's called. I believe it is 1.9 millimeters, which is roughly 80 mil, which everybody knows and loves. And this is the Noiko that everyone is madly in love with online, Facebook and whatnot, which, by the way, has yet to be tested and efficacy proven. So I'll be doing that in a later video, but I have both here because I use a combination, and I'll tell you guys why. Now, just to get into it just a little bit without getting too technical, both of these are beautiful, okay? But the composition of the butyl is a big deal, okay? It is a big deal. So it has to be specially formulated, buzzword, specially formulated to be able to absorb vibration and turn it into low-level heat. So that's what happens. The butyl absorbs the vibration. You have a constraining layer here, the aluminum, which, by the way, the aluminum cap is important also. You want this to be thick enough to be able to withstand that. So just judging by the two, they're both relatively the same size, relatively the same weight. I can tell already that the cap on the B2 is much thicker than the Noiko. But like I said, I will use them in conjunction and I'll show you guys. Alright, here we have the B2 laid out, and I just wanted to make one quick note that if your CLD constrained layer dampening does not come flat like this, if it comes in a roll, it is not legit. Alright? No one is going to roll up proper CLD, so it should come flat like this. Alright, there's a lot of ways to cut deadener. Most people use a razor knife. I hate it, but I gotta tell you, shop scissors, plain scissors, whatever that you don't mind ruining are the best way to do this. It cuts right through it like butter. No big deal. Even Vibraflex, for those of you guys out there using Vibraflex, use scissors. It's so much easier, I promise. All right, our first goal, first piece of dinner. Our goal is to get the biggest piece that we can get in there. So cut the biggest piece that you can fit through whatever size hole you have to get smack dab in the middle of the door. That's going to be the most effective piece. So this is the biggest piece that I can fit and fold in the door here. Now, most cars have this bar here, and we can come over it later, but right now I'm just going to, it's tough to see, I'm gonna get it right up to that bar and have the biggest, flattest piece that I can get in there up to that bar. Damn, it's harder than I thought. Okay, if you can see there, I'm just gonna get it butted up against that bar and have the biggest surface area with one piece that I can get. We'll come back later. I'm gonna do 100% coverage, but I'll cover 25% coverage later. But for now, people doing it like this, get the biggest pieces that you can. All right, here's our piece of dinner with the backing off of it. When I said to get the biggest piece that you can, you're gonna have to compromise between what you can fit through whatever size hole you have and the biggest piece that you can fit in the car, because you're gonna have to fold this over. And when you fold this over, there's obviously sticky on both sides, and it's gonna get hung up on anything and everything because this shit is sticky, in case you didn't know. So, fold it over, try to wiggle it in there, use the other holes on the other side to reach in like this and grab it. Try not to get it hung up on anything, but just keep in mind when you're cutting the biggest piece that you can, that you're gonna have to fold it and it's gonna be sticky. So just be careful with the sizing. All right, we got our first piece laid down, and just a couple of tips for y'all. Take off your watch, it'll help, and get yourself a roller. This one has a long ass handle, which will let you get more ass on it, but it will be difficult to get into tight spaces. So I forgot my roller, so if you want a spring for the little wooden roller that like Sound Deadeness Showdown sells, or some of the other guys sell, grab one of those. Like I said, the longer handle will get you more ass, shorter handle gets you in tighter spaces. So we're gonna roll this out smooth. You want it as smooth as you can get it, because that's better. Smooth is good. Also, I don't know if you guys have ever done deadener, but if you have, the aluminum, when you cut it, is sharp as shit. And you will come out looking like you were in the movie Saw if you don't